In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate contacts in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot duplicates, choose the right record to keep, and confidently merge without losing important information. First, open Pipedrive and head to Contacts on the left bar. This is where your people and organizations live, and it's the best place to tidy things up so your team isn't tripping over repeated records. On the left pane, select Merge Duplicates. Pipedrive will scan your database and surface records that look similar, often based on names, emails, or phone numbers. This gives you a focused list of likely duplicates so you don't have to hunt them down manually. Next, choose a duplicate that's been detected and select which one should be the primary contact for the merge. The primary contact is the record you want to preserve as the base. Think about which one is the most complete and up to date. Look for the entry that has the correct email, phone number, owner, and the richest notes or recent activities. Picking the right primary ensures your final record stays accurate. Now, click Preview to see the final contact that will remain after the merger. This preview lets you confirm what the combined record will look like. Take a moment to scan the key fields: name spelling, email, phone, job title, and any connected deals, activities, or notes. If something doesn't look right, you can switch which contact is primary before confirming. If you realize they're actually different people or separate organizations that just happen to look similar, click Keep Separate. It's better to be cautious than to merge unrelated data. When everything looks correct, click Merge to confirm. Pipedrive will combine the information, keep the primary record, and remove the duplicate while preserving linked items like deals and notes where possible. Keep in mind that merges are meant to be final, so the preview step is your safety net for accuracy. And there you go, your contact list just got cleaner. Work through the remaining suggestions in the Merge Duplicates view until there are no more flagged pairs. A tidy contact database streamlines outreach, prevents confusion in follow-ups, and makes your reports far more reliable. That's all. You've learned the fastest, safest way to fix duplicate contacts in Pipedrive, from opening contacts to reviewing suggestions, choosing a primary, previewing, and confirming the merge. Thanks for watching, and keep your CRM data clean so your sales process stays sharp.